Hi there, I'm BooBee. I might look like a little ghost, but there's a lot more to me than meets the eye. I've been through some tough times too. I used to be stuck in the shadow of being bullied, with no one to turn to, except my wonderful family. But one day, something changed. Instead of letting those gloomy clouds get to me, I decided to stand tall and strong. It's like this. Even when things seem tough, there's a brighter path ahead. You know what I realized? Sometimes only those who've walked in similar shoes can truly understand what you're going through. So I'm on a mission now. A mission to bring together folks like us, who faced those challenges head on. Whether it's a spooky ghost like me or someone else, we're all in this together. Let's create an online community where we can share stories, lend a helping hand, and sprinkle some kindness wherever we go. So welcome to our world of BooBee. Join us and let's light up the darkness with friendship and support. Catch you on the bright side.